I have a question. Did the gods of different pantheons exist at the same time, or did they replace one another? If we project this onto our world, remember for a moment that the reality we see is only a reflection. And within it, things may occur sequentially or in parallel. In our temporal mythological line, we see what we see, that's it. How it actually was, we do not know, but we see the following. The projects were running simultaneously. It's just that, being separated by inviolable boundaries, up to a certain point each was simmering away in its own enclave, each existed independently. Only later did these boundaries begin to open, and a slow assimilation followed. But in general, essentially, it's all the same period. It's just that this period covers an enormous span. If you look from the beginning of the myth to its functional conclusion, that's 1,040 years, if you bring it up to the present day. Roughly speaking, it falls within that time frame. But again, all these words are absolutely imprecise because a myth is a multifaceted system in which we are merely a three-dimensional reflection, while time, the fourth dimension, simply smears this myth across the surface for us.